1 by a is equal to square root 5. Find the values of first bit a plus 1 by a, second one a cube plus 1 by a cube. Solution given. A minus 1 by a is given as root 5. We know the formula. A plus 1 by a whole square minus of a minus 1 by a whole square is equal to 4. Now, we don't know the value of a plus 1 by a, so write as it is. A plus 1 by a whole square minus, and given a minus 1 by a as root 5. So, root 5 whole square is equal to 4. A plus 1 by a whole square minus, another form of writing square root is half. 5 to the power of half whole square is equal to 4. Now, here numerator 2 and denominator 2 both get cancelled. A plus 1 by a whole square minus 5 only. 5 to the power of 1 means 5. A plus 1 by a whole square is equal to minus 5 going from left side to right side plus 5. A plus 1 by a whole square is equal to 9. Now you are taking square from left to right. Square root. A plus 1 by a is equal to plus or minus 3. 3 3s are 9. Now first bit we got the answer. Coming to the second bit. They told to find a cube plus 1 by a cube. So hint is cubing on both sides. Just now we got a plus 1 by a. That we are cubing. Now a plus 1 by a whole cube is equal to plus or minus 3 whole cube. It is the formula of a plus b whole. You know, a cube plus 1 by a whole cube minus 3 into, here a into 1 by a cancel, that's only 3. 3 into a plus 1 by a is equal to plus or minus 27. Plus into plus, plus only, minus into minus. Here 3 plus times we are multiplying. Plus into plus, plus, again plus into plus, plus only. Here minus into minus, plus, again plus into minus, minus. So plus or minus again it comes. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Now a cube plus 1 by a cube plus 3 into, just now we got the value of a plus 1 by s plus or minus 3. So plus or minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 27. A cube plus 1 by a cube plus or minus 9, y 3 3 is 9 is equal to plus or minus 27. Now a cube plus 1 by a cube, don't you continue the problem. For me place is not there, so I am writing here. A cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to plus or minus 27. Plus goes that side, minus of plus or minus 9. This plus goes that side as minus. Now a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to, we are subtracting. So plus or minus 27 minus 9 is 18. 13th problem. If x square plus 1 by 25x square is equal to 8 3 by 5. Find the value of first one x plus 1 by 5x, second bit x cube plus 1 by 125 x cube. Solution given. X square plus 1 by 25 x square is equal to 8 3 by 5 they have given. Adding 2 by 5 on both sides. Now x square plus 1 by 25 x square plus 2 by 5 is equal to 43 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Why we are adding 2 by 5 means this will be in the formula of x plus 1 by 5x whole square. A square plus b square. B square means 1 ones are 1, 5 5 is 25 x square plus 2ab. 2 into a is x, b is 1 by 5x. When we simplify, 2 by 5 is remaining. X get cancelled. So 2 by 5 will be remaining. So we are adding 2 by 5 on both sides. Now this is in the formula of x plus 1 by 5x whole square is equal to, here like fractions, denominators are same, again 5 only will come. We have to add numerators. 43 plus 2. X plus 1 by 5x whole square is equal to 45 by 5. 5 goes in 45 9 times. 5 9s are 45. So x plus 1 by 5x whole square is equal to 9. Now square going from left to right, square root x plus 1 by 5x is equal to square root of 9. X plus 1 by 5x is equal to, what is the square root of 9 plus or minus 3? 13th problem. If 13th problem, second bit. First bit we got x plus 1 by 5x is equal to plus or minus 3. Now second bit we are doing cubing on both sides, because second bit is cube, that is the hint for us. So x plus 1 by 5x whole cube is equal to plus or minus 3 whole cube. It is in the formula a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b is equal to plus or minus 27. Now x cube as it is, 1 cube means 1, 5x whole cube means 125 x cube, plus here x numerator and denominator cancel, 3 by 5 is left, and in the place of x plus 1 by 5x we are writing plus or minus 3. We are substitute that value is equal to plus or minus 27. Now x cube plus 1 by 125 whole x cube plus or minus 3 is 9. Multiply numerator with numerator. 9 by 5 is equal to plus or minus 27. Now x cube plus 1 by 125 x cube is equal to plus or minus 27, and this plus going from left to right becomes minus. Minus of plus or minus 9 by 5. Now x cube plus 1 by 125 x cube is equal to 5 LCM. 5 27s are 135. Plus or minus 135 minus of plus or minus 9. X cube plus 1 by 125 x cube is equal to, if you subtract 135 minus 9, 126. So what is the sign means? Plus or minus. Plus or minus 126. This is in improper fraction, change into mixed fraction. 5 2s are 10. From 12 if you subtract 10, 2 you will get. 6 comes to the denominator down. 5 goes 5 5s are 25 and 1 remaining. 25 1 by 5. Therefore x cube plus 1 by 125 x cube is equal to plus or minus 25 1 by 5. 14th problem. If x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 3, show that x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0. Solution given. X plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 3. Square goes from left to right, square root. So x plus 1 by x value is square root 3. There are here, show that cube is there. So cubing on both sides. X plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to root 3 whole cube. Now we know the formula. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. Here ab is x into 1 by x. X cancelled. So only 3 is left. Into a plus b is equal to root 3 into root 3 into root 3. X cube plus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 into x plus 1 by x place. Here the value is root 3. Substitute that root 3 here. X cube plus 1 square, 1 cube means 1 only, x cube means x into x into x. Plus 3 into root 3. From where we got this root 3? X plus 1 by x place, we replace root 3. Now x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into root 3 is 3 root 3 is equal to 3 root 3. X cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to, this is right hand side 3 root 3 and this is left hand side plus 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3 from left side to right side goes minus 3 root 3. So x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to, from 3 root 3 if you take again 3 root 3, answer will be 0, or otherwise you can cancel, 0 is left. So they told to prove that, we proved, hence proved. 16th problem. Find the product using suitable identities. First bit, 3a plus 4b into 9a square minus 12ab plus 16b square. Given problem you have written 3a plus 4b into 9a square minus 12ab plus 16b square. It is in which formula, which identity means a plus b into A square minus AB plus B square is equal to A cube plus B cube formula. Now I am changing the given into that form. 3A plus 4B. Here A square plus 3A whole square. Go back and check. 9A square is there or not? Correct. Minus 3A into 4B because minus AB. Minus 3 4 12 AB. Check, cross checking. Plus 4B whole square. 4 4 16 B square. So we have written. When we have written in this form, A cube plus B cube. In the place of A, 3A square. 3A is there. So 3A whole cube. Plus in the place of B, 4B is there. 4B whole cube. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27 A cube. Plus 4 4 16. 16 4 64 B cube. Coming to the second bit. Y minus 6 by Y into Y square plus 6 plus 36 by Y square. Here the identity is A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square is equal to A cube minus B cube. A minus B, okay. Y minus 6Y, easy. It is easy on the first one as it is. Coming to the second one, Y square we have written. Here AB should be there. In the place of A, Y is there. In the place of B, 6 by Y is there. Y get cancelled and plus 6 is remaining. Next, plus 6 by Y whole square. 6 6 are 36 Y square. So both suitable. Now, which formula? A cube minus B cube. In the place of A, Y cube minus 6 by Y whole cube. Y cube as it is minus 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216 by Y cube. 17th problem. Simplify using suitable identity. They have given 3x minus 5y minus 4 into 9x square plus 25y square plus 16 plus 15xy minus 20y plus 12x. Now the suitable identity is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Very very important formula. If you know this formula, whole chapter you are good in doing. So now I am writing in the place of a 3x, in the place of b minus 5y, in the place of c minus 4 is there because a plus b plus c. So b plus of minus 5y plus of minus 4. Now a square 3x whole square 9x square verified. B square plus of minus 5y whole square minus into minus plus 5 5 is 25 y square plus 25 y square satisfied. Plus of minus 4 square minus into minus plus 4 4 16. So plus 16. Correct. Coming to the next one. Minus into minus plus 3 5 is 15xy plus 15xy. Verified. Next. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus. Minus 20y. Verified. Minus into minus plus 4 3 is 12. So 12x plus 12x. Now we have written the left hand when you multiply, right hand answer is what? RHS a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. That only wrote a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now 3x whole cube means 27x cube. Minus into minus plus into minus, again minus comes. Minus into plus minus. When power is odd also minus comes, minus into plus minus. 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125 y cube. Again here minus comes, minus into plus minus. 4 4 16. 16 4 64. Minus into minus plus. Plus into minus. 3 3 is 9. 9 5 is 45. 45 4 is 180. And here xy is there, xy.